Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we will see how to draw on Instagram. If you want to draw on Instagram, then you will need to follow some steps. First, you will need to update the Instagram app in your phone. For that, you will need to go to Play Store in your mobile and in the search bar type Instagram and simply click on update. Once you update the Instagram app in your phone, then simply open the Instagram app and select the person you wish to send. If you want to draw anything, then you will need to click on the plus icon, as you can see here in the bottom right. When you click on this plus icon, you will see the draw option in the middle. Simply click on it. When you click on the draw, then you will see a lot of stuff here. As you can see in the down, you will see the sketch and colors. So select the color as per your needs, and in the left side, you will see the adjuster, from where you can adjust the size of the marker or sketch. And in the top, you will see lot of tools. So select as per your needs and simply draw anything you wish to like and tap click on send. That's it. If you find this video helpful, so please like this video and also subscribe our channel. Thank you.